you on the show. Morning. What's it looking like? Fair amount of consolidation is behind us. What are we awaiting?
Yeah, I think some bit of more consolidation. So, there are positives and there are negatives for the markets. Positives in the sense that we are looking at a point where the India VIX has dropped down to 12. It's almost like a 9-month or a 10-month low for the India VIX. So that settles down, to the major bout of corrections, which generally happens in the markets when you see VIX on the higher side. But then the negative aspect for the markets is in the last 3 days, there has been almost an unwinding of 10 lakh futures on the Nifty and similar, percentage numbers for the other indices like banking index, etc. So that indicates that the markets are just going through a bit of a profit booking kind of a zone. We are still, ambling into a range 25,500 as a support and 25,750, 800 as a resistance. So the range is getting a little bit more minor for the indices, but with the lack of volatility, I would probably expect that we may not head into a major direction on the downside. We will just about try and consolidate further over the next few days.
Sharan, what is your view? What is in store for market today and this week?
So Nikunj, I think market looks quite negative from my side. I think today you can see a break below 25,400, which will take Nifty to around 25,300 to 250 odd levels in the next 2-3 days. And I think just Trump has tweeted, I think by tonight, every country will get a letter for tariff or a deal done by them. And even I think countries aligning themselves with the BRICS will get an additional 10% tariff. So I think today can be a very volatile day in expectation of what Trump says. Again, my levels are 25,250, as I mentioned last week on Monday also. Similar levels for Bank Nifty. If it goes below 56,500, I think you can quickly expect 56,000 odd levels. On the upside, it's capped around 57,500 to 600 odd level. So this will be a very volatile week, especially after tonight or the 9th, whichever date the letters for tariffs or deals come in. So expect a lot of volatility, stay light. And as I said on Monday, keep booking profits and you can add later on around 25,000 to 25,200 odd level.
Okay, let's talk about stocks then. Sharan, what's on your list?
So again, I think Nifty, IT and Pharma index are out of this tariff deal. So if anyone wants to enter, I think these are the best two sectors you can enter. So my first